Hello everybody, welcome to another lesson about decimals and place value. Today we are going to be learning the different ways to write a decimal, including standard form, expanded form, and even word form I'll brush up on a little bit, but you guys are pretty good about writing out your numbers in word form. Alright guys, so make sure you are taking your notes. Remember, I check your notes every day, so make sure you are doing that. Your date is Monday, August 24th. Your learning target is I can read and write decimals in different ways. So those different ways include standard form, word form, and expanded form. All right, copy that down. Today we're going to focus on expanded form. If you need more time to write the learning target, you can pause the video, but I'm moving on. So our example number 1, this example is in expanded form. So if you remember how we did expanded form, we did that with whole numbers before. We never did it with decimals. So for our whole numbers, example 1 says 2 times 1 parentheses plus 6 times 1,000 parentheses. We know 2 times 1 is just 2, and then anytime we multiply by something 1 over and then a denominator of 10 or larger, you know that is going to be a decimal. So what place is 1 over 1,000? If you're behind the decimal place, we know that'll end in THS. If we have 1,000, that would mean the 6 is in the thousandths place. Remember, this 0 is in the tenths, this 0 is in the hundredths, this would be the thousandths. So I'll repeat that. We have 2 times 1. We know that's in our ones place, that's a 2. 0.00, this 0 is tenths, this 0 is hundredths, this 0 is thousandths. See that 1,000 right there? That's how you know where to place this 6. I'll show you again, place value, ones, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. All right, let's try another one. You guys make sure you have that copied down. Okay, if you need more time to copy it, pause the video. I'm moving on. Oops, wrong side. Example 2. Okay, so we're gonna have, this is expanded form again. 3 times 1 plus all right, this says 3 times 1 parentheses plus 3 times 1 over 10 parentheses plus 3 times 1,000 parentheses. Okay. So we know there's going to be a decimal here because we have our fractions in our parentheses. We have a 10 and we have a 1,000 in our denominators. So let's take a look. 3 times 1. We know that'll be a 3. There's no fraction and that is the ones place. Then we have a 1/10 fraction and a 3. So we know that would go in the tenths place. Then our next largest number is 3 times 1,000. We know that this 3 would have to go in the thousandths. But we need to add a 0. Why do we need to add a 0? Because this place right here is the hundredths. We weren't given a fraction with a denominator of 100. So we need to add, I'm writing out these real quick for you guys. We're going to add a 0. And then we have our last 3. Oops, that's really bad, 3. As our 1 over 1,000. So your answer would be 3 decimal point 303. This is it in expanded form. This is your decimal in standard form. Okay, we will do one more together. Example 3. Let's do 4 times 1 plus 5 times 1 over 100 plus 6 times 1 over 1,000. Okay, so our whole number is going to be 4. We have our ones placed right here and we have our 4. Let's write a 4 right here, decimal. Our fraction over here is 1 over 100. That means we do not have a tens place. What do we do if we don't have a place value number? We just add a 0. We call that the placeholder. Okay, now we have a 5. That'll go in our hundredths place. Next up, 6 times 1,000. Sorry, 6 times 1 over 1,000. That would be your thousandths place. So we can put our 6 right there. So here are our numbers in expanded form. Here is our decimal in standard form. Make sure you guys copy that down. There will be more YouTube videos for you to watch. And I hope you guys copied down your notes and that you took your time writing them so they look nice and neat so you can reference them if you need to for the exit ticket. And try your best on the exit ticket. Remember, it is okay if you don't get it on the first try. We always go over our work after we try it. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.